Yeah, we had high winds last night and a lot of hail. I took the plastic off of this to see, but they haven't come up yet, so I ain't worried about it. My little pepper plants are doing all right. I took the plastic off of that. My onions are okay. Didn't hurt them at all. They're pretty tough. That's one thing about an onion, it's pretty tough. I still gotta roll out this sheeting. Here's my garlic. It's alright. I covered up my potatoes because I didn't want it all beat down. I got a little bit of leaf right there. But I covered them up. They'll go right on through this. See here? Let me go around this way and watch that tongue of the trailer. Now my tomatoes, I put them in these cardboard boxes and these plastic sheets. All I had to do is cover up the lids. See how easy that was? They're looking pretty good. See this? These are the big tomatoes. And here's the cherry tomatoes. And then I got tomatoes over there. I put them in these cardboard boxes and just shut the lids. They're about ready for transplant. These are my last potatoes that I planted. What in the world is that? Oh. We still ain't out of the freeze weather. That's why I still got them in these pots. My tomatoes. See there? They're sitting down in these plastic bags. Now when they grow up out of these places right here, they won't get no more cover. That'd be the end of that. But I gotta replant these tomatoes. I'm gonna make me a place in the yard for some of them, and then some of them I'm gonna grow in pots. Oh, there we go. And then my little bitty pot I had. My onions look pretty good. They're going up, getting up bigger. Those things grow up through straw, and they'll do pretty good. Look how good they look. Watch how I walk around here. There's that one cardboard box for my one little tomato plant. Got limbs in the yard from the high winds and the hail. There we go. What was that I planted there? I'm gonna get my, see all of peach, all my blossoms. I had to water this, I had it all covered up. You guys need to start planting stuff because it's going to get rough. And my onions, well, that's about it. Look at the little guy. I'm going to let you go. Talk to you later. Have a great day.